The Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile, lightweight cleaning solution for homes that need a quick yet effective way to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair. Weighing just 4 pounds, this vacuum is designed to be easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups around the house or even in the car. With its 3-in-1 design, the Eureka Blaze allows you to customize your cleaning experience. It includes an onboard crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spaces, making it a great all-around option for any cleaning task. This vacuum promises to address some common frustrations that users face with other stick vacuums, such as difficulty handling larger debris and limited reach. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at how it performs in real-world cleaning situations. The Eureka Blaze features an 18-foot power cord that allows you to move around without having to constantly plug and unplug, reducing the hassle of outlet hopping. It's built for efficiency, with a large dust cup that minimizes the number of trips you'll need to make to the trash can during cleaning sessions. At 9.44 inches wide, the nozzle is larger than many typical stick vacuums, meaning it can cover more ground in less time. This feature also helps pick up larger debris that other vacuums might push around or miss entirely, making it an excellent choice for homes with bigger messes. One of the standout features of the Eureka Blaze is its powerful 2-amp motor, which excels at picking up fine particles like dust and pollen, alongside larger debris. For allergy sufferers, this could be a game changer. The washable filtration system traps debris and helps improve the air quality in your home, something that's often overlooked in many stick vacuums. You'll be able to breathe easier knowing that smaller particles are being captured as you clean. While the filtration system is handy, it's important to remember that regular cleaning and maintenance are necessary to keep it functioning at its best. In terms of handling, the Eureka Blaze uses Eureka's signature swivel steering, which significantly enhances its maneuverability. If you've ever struggled with a vacuum that's too stiff or awkward to move, you'll appreciate how easily the Blaze glides across various surfaces. Whether it's moving between hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, or tile, this vacuum moves smoothly, making it a lot less tiring to use. It's especially effective when cleaning around furniture or other obstacles, thanks to its compact design and ability to turn on a dime. Let's talk about the cleaning performance. The Eureka Blaze does an impressive job of removing surface dirt and dust, especially on hard floors. The nozzle is wide enough to cover larger areas quickly, but it also works well on more detailed cleaning tasks, like picking up pet hair from upholstery or your vehicle. The 3-in-1 feature means that switching between handheld, stick, or crevice mode is straightforward, so you can use it for everything from cleaning stairs to getting into corners and tight spaces. However, like most stick vacuums, it may struggle a bit on thicker carpets or when dealing with larger piles of debris. While it's perfectly suited for quick daily cleanups or light cleaning tasks, it might not be ideal for heavy-duty cleaning on carpets or deep cleaning your entire home. When it comes to noise levels, the Eureka Blaze is relatively quiet for a stick vacuum, especially compared to bulkier, upright models. While you're unlikely to find a stick vacuum that's completely silent, the Blaze operates at a sound level that's more tolerable during regular cleaning. If you live in an apartment or need to clean while others are in the room, this could be a big plus. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The Eureka Blaze is lightweight, which is great for ease of use. It's easy to carry up and down stairs and doesn't tire you out during cleaning sessions. Its powerful suction, thanks to the 2-amp motor, is perfect for tackling fine particles, pet hair, and larger debris alike. The 18-foot power cord is another advantage, offering a decent range without the constant need to change outlets. The maneuverability, enhanced by swivel steering, ensures that you can clean with ease around furniture and obstacles. However, it does have some limitations. The large dust cup is certainly convenient, but it can fill up quickly, especially if you're cleaning large areas, meaning you may need to empty it more often than you'd like. It's also not the most powerful vacuum on the market, so if you have a home with thick carpets or deep-set dirt, this may not be the vacuum for you. Its suction power is more geared toward light to moderate debris, and it may struggle with embedded dirt and carpet fibers. The washable filtration system is a nice touch, but again, it requires regular maintenance to stay effective. Some users may also find that the nozzle width, while larger than other stick vacuums, still limits its ability to clean in tight spaces as thoroughly as a narrower nozzle might. In terms of value for money, the Eureka Blaze stands out as an affordable option for homes that need a light, quick, and easy-to-use vacuum. It's especially a great pick for those with hard floors or homes that don't require heavy-duty vacuuming. Its powerful suction for its size and the inclusion of multiple cleaning modes make it an excellent option for small to medium-sized homes, pet owners, or people with allergies. But is it the best vacuum for everyone? It's a solid choice if you want something lightweight and efficient for regular cleanups, but it might not satisfy users who need a vacuum for tougher tasks like deep carpet cleaning or high-pile rugs. If you're comparing this model to other similar vacuums in its price range, you might find alternatives with slightly better suction power or even more versatility in terms of attachments. When comparing it to other stick vacuums, there are a few similar models worth mentioning. For example, the Shark Rocket corded stick vacuum offers slightly better suction and performance on carpets, but it comes at a higher price point. The Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hardwood Floor Corded Vacuum is another good alternative, especially for homes with pets, thanks to its specialized pet hair attachments. However, the Eureka Blaze holds its ground thanks to its maneuverability, ease of use, and affordability. In terms of build quality, the Eureka Blaze feels solid and robust for a vacuum at this price point. The plastic parts don't feel cheap, and the wand and connections are easy to assemble and use without any wobbling or instability. The dust cup is large enough to hold a fair amount of debris, but not so large that it makes the vacuum heavy or hard to handle. For maintenance, keeping the Eureka Blaze in good working condition is pretty straightforward. The washable filter is easy to remove and clean, and the dust cup can be emptied with a quick click. The brush roll may require cleaning from time to time, especially if you're dealing with long hair or pet fur, but this is standard maintenance for most vacuums. All in all, the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a solid, affordable option for everyday cleaning. It's best suited for small to medium homes, hard floors, or light carpet use, and it's especially effective for pet hair and fine dust. It's not the most powerful vacuum out there, but for the price, it offers excellent value for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, lightweight vacuum. If you're looking for a high-performance vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning or thick carpets, this might not be the one for you. However, if your cleaning needs are more modest, the Eureka Blaze is a strong contender. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Eureka Blaze, the link is in the comments box below. Have questions or already own one? Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Goodbye till next time, and remember, your home is only a clean vacuum away.